Say hello to East 14th Street in New York, a vibrant student property for an exquisite college experience. Unlock privacy in your new non-ensuite at an affordable price. Curl up in your warm and cozy full-size bed after a long day, and store your belongings in spacious closets. Get access to fully stocked kitchenware and a peaceful study space. Unlock ultimate convenience with high-speed Wi-Fi and breezy laundry facilities. Keep it simple with all utilities included. With the backdrop of the buzzing student life of New York City, this property is just a short stroll away from Hult International Business School and the School of Visual Arts. You are a short commute away from the rest of the city, with 14th Street and 9th Street subway stations being minutes away. Grocery shopping has never been quicker, with Trader Joe's as close as your backyard. So, this is your chance to dive into the most convenient student life ever at East 14th Street in New York. Book via amberstudent.com now.